Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Lucky, get advice for our Edo youth because of this election wey dey come September 19. E don advise our youth make dem no fight for any politicians. The reason why they talk like this na because of wetin e eye see, wetin happen for front of Oba Palace yesterday. The way some youth take receive injury, and that injury wey they receive from that fight wey happen in front of Oba Palace, that injury go remain with them forever. Even after the election, that injury go still dey there, and the politician wey dey because of am receive that injury no go even remember them again after they don succeed for wetin they define. E con still advise mama and papa, brothers and sisters, especially the ones wey dey abroad. E don advise them say, if you get brother back home, this na the time for you to call them. Make you talk to them, make you advise them, make them no come out, come begin the fight for politician. Because if you no advise them now and they carry on go fight for politician, whatever they see, if na injury, you wey dey abroad na go to send money back home take dey treat your brother. Politician no go dey there for them again. So make I leave you now with Lucky, make you for hear the advice wey give our youth and mama and papa, brothers and sisters, both home and abroad. Enjoy the video.
All right. My name is Comrade Lucky Orukpe, the president of the Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria, also the convener, ESA Agenda Movement Worldwide. We want to totally condemn the violence yesterday amongst the youth in Benin. Election is around the corner. By September 19th, we'll be having election in Edo State, governorship election. Election is not do or die. I am here today to condemn the attack amongst the youth. I do not belong to any political party. I am not PDP, I am not APC. Politics is all about interest. My interest is for the ESA land, is for the ESA people. As a youth, you need to listen to me. The politicians that you want to kill yourself for, they are children. They don't stay in Nigeria. Their wife, they don't stay in Nigeria. I see a lot of youth yesterday badly injured. The PDP youth, the APC youth. I begin to see this youth as another way of courtesan. Because right now, you will see a youth, you say, I'm a PDP or I'm a APC. They begin to see themselves as an enemy. It doesn't supposed to be like that. In fact, let me just use the language you will understand. The people when una dey injure una self for, the people when they kill themselves, when they kill una self for, carry gun give una, when I go dey shoot una self. These people can never value you. Even after the election, when you go some of them office, it go take you 5 hours or 6 hours for even the protocol to grant you access. They not go value you because they see you as a killer, they see you as a violent person. Let me tell you something. The best thing you need to do for yourself, anytime when they invite you, say, go carry gun, make you go to shoot your fellow youth. Just tell them, say, you not go fit do one. May they call their children, may they come do one. I see a lot of youth yesterday. That is why when they come out from ESA Agenda Movement Worldwide to condemn her, also give youth sense of direction. As everybody injure yesterday now. The pains. Now only you want to pass through the pains now. The people where you dey fight for, they can never come to your house or come to hospital. The best they can do for you, they will send money for you to treat yourself, and the wound will remain there. Edo Youth Manifesto always get the people at heart. By the time you begin to think the way they think like this, nobody go tell you say, come collect 1,000, come rally. By the virtue of the position when I dey hold for Nigeria as the president of Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria, if I command all my coordinators for different markets for Edo State, less than 30 minutes, like 5,000 traders will stand. I'm not going to say because I get that strength of mobilization, make I come go dey mobilize my people, they endanger their life, say, make una come rally, we want pay una 1,000. So please, this election for September 19th, if you do violence, if you cause pain to your fellow youth, you dey sow evil seed for your children future. You dey sow evil seed to spoil the name of your family. Nobody get monopoly. So I dey advise the youth, make una try to sit down. In the middle of the night, watch my video. Watch am very well so that you fit understand wetin I dey talk. Because when you say I be PDP, I be APC, me I dey see am say na another way of courtesan be that. Yes na. You and your fellow youth wey be say na suppose to dey happy. Even if e dey APC o, e dey AGA o, e dey Labour Party o, you na PDP o, na suppose to happy, come together say okay, all these politicians sef wey be say dem no dey do wetin dem suppose to do. Let us come together, make we tell them, not be by violence o, to tell them say okay, na suppose do like this or na suppose do like this. For the past how many years now, since 2017, I'll be crying about ESA agenda movement. Asian people have been shortchanged for Edo politics. Asian people have been oppressed. Asian people are not second-class citizens for Edo, for Edo State. Did you know how many adults, how many Enigie, how many youths, how many women and men they pray come for me every blessed day for my village, for even Benin where we dey, and for diaspora? So now wetin youth suppose to dey do be this, so that your youthful age no go waste. The Obaseki wey dey contest, the Iseyamu wey dey contest governor now, who tell you say you no go fit be governor tomorrow? So when you don kill yourself, you don stab yourself, you don shoot yourself, how you want to do the governor? So let us wake up, make politicians or party matter not come make us be enemy. I dey do this video today to talk to our youth. Now I don finish from our youth, I wan enter my project, ESA project, ESA agenda movement worldwide. Our brothers and sisters for diaspora, call your people, carry phone, call your people for Edo State, tell them make dem say no to satanic politicians wey wan use them take go promote violence. Also direct them what to do. This video wey I dey do now, Igbo kesan eriwo den eriwo wa, enije neriwe san wa da do. Any youth that will promote violence in ESA land for this election September 19, the NEJ have the right to banish that person, because it didn't mean well for ESA. Montana development, ebare developers here. Working at Dagagbon so, eki don me 10,000 naira or 5,000 naira, eki don promote violence. When like they say calling us since for the past 8 days now. When like ebe say promising me, when we platform when we Traders Welfare Union platform, when we agenda, we can Godwin Obaseki, when can Godwin Obaseki, may support Obaseki because of his character, and he has some people at heart. Whereby, bossing here, I keep posting organization on say, name go na da rene, Okay, me akim we possibly me muigonya the ESA is underdeveloped. The meyete moisa. Akmane waki tu achime be afi. Ba won awowe wo kesa. ESA project is very important. ESA blood ole flow egbe no seme. And first of all ESA before I become Nigeria. Ba won awowo on the election over Denia Godwin Obaseki Odayoye already hand over Noresa come 2024. Meba muja we dani o meda say ekpano government house. Meda boy the commissioner ni melele o mama security idayo ESA project might need our governor come 2024. So eba ko atanya we should not Abi Ebele, Abi Gwebe, you know? No! Ebata, we are ESA, United ESA people. Now we be. As about unite, then the 2024, this pressure group, ESA, Madam Governor, 2024, in less than 2 years, ESA is too small to develop. ESA Magba, what can we development in Jeremy? That is what we should be thinking about. The buy opposition. No passe ki akon here. Or bare scatter rally here. Or bare scatter canopy here. You are weba me work for ESA land. Atode na holo. Eki years or ye no removing motion be Nigeria be independent. Enamaria madayo. Ba won ewo agakuo bogbe iyan nogo iwo kesaneri iwo daneri wa ESA gender movement worldwide my white convention on the 15th of August ejime ada shiwo kesanere we kokobe do eneri we do esaya vade from Port Harcourt Eko Abuja ebolebo evade deni man discuss eba redevelop person here. Any politician say they will carry ESA between 1999 to 2016. They evaluate so EBA say expose le here because ESA agenda. Now what amawanya? You may never work in here. There is no amount of bribe. Political emperor scenario a docent travesa emene guanya. There is no amount of bribe that will give to me for me to deviate or change for what I'm doing. Even inside hunger, I reject offer. Inside suffer, I reject evil offer. I need money. I doesn't need cost money. Or when some politician between 1999 to 2016, constituency project in Ayodelu, they da Lonigo, NDDC project in Amurewesa, they da Gaonigo. Bawa muja enyi arele me di publisher dokere so ibo wana rive wole po me yo meri onage na tu abulu eso wo calling me eso support the ESA gender movement worldwide project no seme project no sesa no ineme ubi ajada vai abame iruwa ada vai okaje sameki so Maybe I can live in Nigeria, may against oppression, against injustice in Nigeria. Then at the end of the day, my senatorial district is underdeveloped. If you want to join me for this ESA agenda movement worldwide, follow me for Comrade Lucky Orupe for Facebook. My number is always there. Call me. Ideas in the way on it, information the way on it. Ebe sare move forward here. We are say tamama. If you want to America, never Canada, never Asia, never London, never Europe, me whatsoever rebe ESA people, my hate oppression. Eji makiri aye rebe, bacha kuobo kugbe, na stop oppression. Otu akwada tacheme of recent. Owo yo bezele without Temon Baseki. Ebeseme that one Basaki is this. Again, at the House of Assembly. Festus Ebea, he that overthrow, he becomes the speaker. Or what Dotwa as a speaker, Oshomo like that already the roof, or that bani roof kwa, the House of Assembly. Oba Honoria, Oresa, you speaker. Obaseki Kibova, Oshomo like that, yo, or later a speaker, Obaseki that no, is a son person that's supposed to be the speaker of Edo State House of Assembly. Obaseki bi Oshomo like that, Obaseki that Mui Franco Kiye from Uromi. Madam Fiabedani as a speaker. Okipo Zebwe, Oshomola yo edim ne commissioner o. Edim ne commissioner o. Obasa kida heye, o da support hani commissioner. Obasa kida hani 6 commissioner besa. Eleri Edo State Executive Council ya. Now, Obasa kida boy pa no. Oda yo Ali o mama luemi esiwe sa, o mama luemi esiwe pende. Ali enjoy the benefits. Obaseki that vibe, or that boy Buhari Abuja, or that young Ali Rami Bolu here. Na grant state pardon. One day Buhari or mama like Obaseki, or that grants Ali family and Ali state pardon. Okay, other no work Ichirio. No come five wa. Buweki yoni melu here. Madam here $1 million, many are madam here $2 million, madam are may yogenya a bolu or a debo. Agbonebo yesa, a bolu, evocasa so is a bolole. So, my brother, it is better you say the truth. And that it is better you say the truth and collect $10 million and be to lie. So, my name remain come with Lucky Orukwe, the President, Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria, also the convener, ESA Agenda Movement. ESA Agenda, time to move forward.
Now where you don't hear from Lucky, Comrade Lucky, help us share this video. Share this video because this message, if it save somebody, this message, if it change somebody's mind, where they plan to go do violence for this coming election, wey won't happen for Edo State, September 19. And if you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube channel, this is not the time for you to subscribe. For more video like this, they come. For you not to miss anyone, subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube. I beg, share this video. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.